Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys like finishing my building on my house, and so let's get to it. Sorry if you hear like background music. I mean talking, because I'm in the living room and my brother's watching Spider-Man, like Spidey, I mean. Oh my god, I need to change her nose. Okay. Okay, let's change this. Oh. Okay. So I'm gonna just give you a tour of what I got done. Okay, so this is my daughter. This is her room. Okay, okay. Then this is her makeup room. I'm not really done with this. I need to add like more. And then this is, I don't know what I should make this. I don't have like a baby. So like I did like make a little baby area over here, which is, as you can see, it's not done. And like, I don't know if I should put like maybe make a baby, because like I don't really know what to put over here. And like, I think I should maybe like make like, this is like barely any space, so I'm gonna change that. Like, I'm gonna add the baby room. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna add the baby room over here. I swear if my Apple Pencil dies. Oh, it's all the way charged. Actually, no. Okay, let's change it. Maybe right there. Girl, move. Dude. Okay, there. Right there. Dude. Yeah, right there. Yeah. There. Add the plants. Maybe like right there. And right there. And I'm maybe gonna add like, I don't know what I'm gonna add in this empty space, and like maybe a picture on the wall. Yeah, let's add a picture. Okay, that isn't working. Ooh, look at this. That'll look good over here. Yeah, let's do that. Maybe something here, like small. Guys, I don't have, like, I have a couple of packs, so don't worry about that. I only have a couple of packs, so yeah. I need to add a light over here. Okay. This light. Oh, are you okay, Luca? Okay. Sorry, guys, my brother fell. Oh, add that. No, don't do that. Maybe that right there. Yeah, right there. Nah, I like that. Nope, bro. I'm gonna add a different plant than that's like, you know, I don't know. Maybe this one. This one. Dude, not that one. This one. This one. I want that. Okay, then add this in front of it. Yes, like that. Maybe I'll put like a seat over here. Maybe. No, bro, I can't use my Apple Pencil for this one. Maybe this. Oh, that takes up too much space. Maybe I could add like, okay, I don't know. Maybe. Dude. Oh, I didn't press that. Okay. Let's see. Is there anything I want to add over here? Okay, no. Oh, okay. No. Oh my god, bro. Okay, let's add one. Okay, let's look. Maybe this one. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, I'm gonna add a little part bit. This one. Like right there. Okay. I definitely need to add a plane. Oh, okay. So this is Cleo and Lizzie's room. Okay, guys, I know I'm using the names from my Avatar World family because like they're the same, but maybe different characters. Yeah, I do have another one added to this Toca Boca one. Okay, so I don't think I need to do anything in here. I'm gonna add like maybe like a chair. Bro. Ooh, maybe I can add this to Cleo's bed. Yeah, that looks cute. Okay, maybe I could add this right there. Need that behind it. There. Okay, that looks good. Okay, I don't know if this is like too childish. Well, they are like 4-year-olds and 5. So I don't know. But dude, Apple Pencil won't let me like press stuff. Maybe this? I don't know. Yeah, not this one. I need like aesthetic. Like it's too small. Maybe this. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. Like maybe like a cushion. Bro, come on. Okay. Like this. Okay, I think that's good. I don't know why I always like put like this here, like in front of like people's like room. I don't know, cause no one ever sits like there. I don't know. Okay, let's add. I forgot to add a painting on the walls. Okay, this. I always use this. I don't know why I always do though. Okay. Anything over here? Yeah, I can add something. I added too much plants in this house, like way too much. But here's the thing, I always use them. I don't know. Oh, I forgot I have to put like, I don't know. Maybe this. Down lower. Wait, maybe right here. Yeah, I can use that. I wish it was like bigger. I don't know. Okay, that's all the lights. Okay. Maybe something here. Maybe I can add this and like put like something on it. Oh, I can't put it there. Dude. Oh. Put it like right here. Okay, that could. Dude, it never lets me. Bro. Go right there. Then go back. Okay, like put it like right here. I don't know this. Just go up there. Yeah, and then I could put like maybe a little plant. Like this. And then, okay, that looks a little bit too small, but that's like the plant I want. Okay. Okay, guys, sorry about that. My iPad turned like off. So, wait. Okay, it's recording. Okay. So let's get back to it. Okay. I feel like this piece is a little bit empty. I don't know. Okay, that's way too much. Okay, no, I'm gonna stop right here, and it's good. Okay, the parents' room. Okay, this is empty over here. Okay. Okay, I have 2 minutes. Wait, what? Wait, what's in that bag? Yeah, put it right here. Wait, I want it right here. No! Do not throw that away. I swear to this. Okay. I don't know. What's to add here? Wait, I can just go to the post office and do it. Like maybe find something. I don't know. Kids go up here. Okay. Oh, do not mind this. This is the clothes I made. Hold on. Let me just give them for her. Wait, where's the other? Where are they? Where are they? Where'd they go? Where did? Wait. Yeah. Where did they go? Wait. I didn't know. I put them all here though. I don't know where they went. Guys, I don't know where they went. Dude. What? Maybe go here. Dude! Do y'all know where they going? Maybe down here. No, not down there. I meant to go to the first floor. Okay. I hear. They're not down here either. Dude. What the hell? Maybe if I do this. Maybe it would. Okay, let's see. Okay, there they are. Okay, let's get back to doing it. Okay. Okay, I don't. Okay. Oh. Okay. So, I really don't want a pool right here. I really don't. Dude, I really don't want a pool right here because, like, why would I put a room next to a pool? Like, I mean, like, I don't want her to live in, like, the car area where I put my car. Like, you know, I don't want my oldest daughter to live. Okay. Oh my god. Bro. Dude. Where the hell? Okay, I'm gonna just not worry about that right now. And worry about doing. What's up there? Oh. Guys, do you know? Oh my god, dude. You cannot be kidding me. No. I was wondering what that was. Why are they up there? Why were they? The hell? It's weird. Okay, let's get back to doing it. Okay, let's put them up there. Oh, I need to introduce you to my family. I forgot to do that. Or you did to her. She's, wait. What's her name? I forgot. Oh my god. I had to make names because, like, so let's say that this was my mom. Like, let's say, this was my family. This was the baby. Okay, let's say that this was a newborn. This is newborn, wait. This is newborn Cleo. And this is Lizzie. And, Oh my god, dude. I have to make names. Okay, I'm gonna just make new names, but the parents stay. So, this is Veronica. This is, Max. Wait. I think this is Max. Yeah, this is Max. And then let's make a name. Wait, Mia. This is Mia. I remember. Mia. And guys, I am not copying Nora. Toca Nora. I'm not copying her Cleo name. I made up this name. I'm not copying her. I swear to God, I didn't even know that she made a baby name for Cleo. I swear. Guys, please don't hate me for this. And then, I guess this can be... Cleo. Since the other one's Cleo. And this can be... this can be... Leah. Leah. Yeah. She could be Leah, I guess. Leah. And then she can be Chloe. Maybe she can be a Chloe. Yeah. She can be Chloe. Yeah. Okay, so there's my family. Okay. Put them all. Oh. Okay. Put a bag. Oh. Don't say kiss glass. Okay. Oh my god, bro. Okay, let's get to building this house, bro. Let's get to building this room. Okay. Bro. Okay. So, what I'm thinking is like, I want to do maybe this. I hate like rooms like this. Like, you know, the windows, I always want to put like the bed like the middle, but the windows, like, I have to put like curtains all around it, and it's like so annoying. Like, bro, I guess I have to. Okay. Maybe this. Dude, I don't want curtains like these. Bro, what the? Oh, I cannot say that. I'll get in trouble. Okay, maybe this. Okay, I mean to make it fun. Don't, bro. This is why I hate Toca Boca. Wait, I don't hate it though, guys. I spent $27 on buying all the packs. Like, not all packs. Like, not all the packs. Like, just a couple packs. Dude, what the hell? Okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. But I wanted more far. Okay, maybe I could just make, dude, I hate windows. I hate windows. Why can't they just make it over here? Dude, bro. It's like so annoying, bro. Please, let me make it fall. There. 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 Oh, that's too far back. There. Oh, I just want it to be. Dude. Oh my god. Okay, there. That's my 6th. Then I could just put like maybe plants. What?
I thought you was babysitting. Wow.
I'm not. I play Toca Boca.
Oh, you retired on me?
Yeah.
Like I'm joking. Sissy, you got all this food and didn't even eat it.
Well, I didn't want it.
Your eyes are bigger than your belly.
What?
Your eyes are bigger than your belly.
Rude. Oh my god, I can't. Dude. Okay, no. Oh my god, dude. Sorry guys, I was talking to my mom. Oh my god. Ah! You know what? F this. Only one. Okay, there. Include it already. Oh my god, I hate this room. There. Perfect. It's not hard now. I'm gonna get, bro. Just put it. Ooh. I got it perfect. That's it. Yeah. Where are those? There. Put that right there. And bro. And that's right there. Perfect. Okay. And then I'll put a shelf on it, so it'll be like a plant shelf. Perfect. Okay. Can maybe put like, maybe. Okay, I have to do this. That's one. Okay, I barely have nothing. A plant on the plant. That will not work. Shut that door, Luca! Oh my god.
Did y'all come out? She just scared the shit out of me.
Oh my god. I thought that you were a kidnapper.
Could you guys come out? Who is the dog? What happened to the quiet blanket? Down!
Jackson and Luca spilled chips, probably.
Could you guys come out?
Have to end my video now.
Huh?
Hold on.